Hey guys, I'm showing you this UpBrands 48 Stretchy toys. We received this as a sample to test and try. It can be used as a party favors for kids, so come in a really nice Ziploc box, as you can see it here. Flexible one, and then they are individually wrapped. There are some free sample as well, so we will focus it later on. So let's open this pack, and you can see a different individual packing um, for the individual skeleton, so it's easy to give or to gift someone. So these are a real stretchy, and the strength of these stretches are really good. As you can see, this is a yellow color, so there are total like 12 colors. I will show that later on, and you can feel like a little like the stretchy feel, and with the wiggling thing it looks like mostly like real. So you can stretch it like from each side, and the material is really stretchy, so you can just relax yourself playing with these FitGet toys. And this is also a great thing to give to the kids, like on their birthday party, or in a bulk one as a classroom or thing. So this really feel like good thing to play for the kids. So as you can see, it's very realistic, and made very well. And now there are different colors, so let me just show you this different colors and then see how this looks like. The good thing about this is you can also clean it in a running water. So it's pretty nice, like, because then you can just clean it off. And they have the white color, black color, transparent, clear, like so there are a lot of other colors, and the detailed molding, so they are like very detailed one. So as you can see here, all the different colors and feel all are the same stretchy quality, so it doesn't depend on the color. Individually packed, so the colors and the quality will not mix with each other, and this is a pretty nice cool thing. Also, like with this glittery and the shiny thing, in the night becomes more fun, and then the stretches are actually very nice to have. So these are the all different colors, as I can see it here. So I try to do it as much as I can, so, and try to even keep the video short so it's not boring for you. But yeah, like all these different colors are here, and this one is the clear one that I really like. This really feel like very clear and transparent one. So this one comes as a free gift in this as a sample. So this one is a FitGet uh, toy with a zipper bracelet, and this is a two poppet thing as well in here. So you can see like the zipping thing, you can just zip, unzip, and then it's like feel very relaxing. And also, like, you can use it as a bracelet for kids. They can just wear it on their wrist and enjoy. So hope you like this video.